Welcome students. Good morning. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav and this is my new video class 5th computer. And chapter is chapter 3 start menu and control panel, and today's topic is changing the desktop background and changing the Windows theme, that is given on page number 27 and 28. So we start how you can change the desktop background. In the previous class that we have learned to change the desktop background using the personalized option of the desktop context menu. Here we will learn to do the same using the control panel. The steps to do so are as follows. First, open the control panel in the category view. Second, click on the appearance and personalization category link. Third, in the appearance and personalization screen, click on the change desktop background link. Fourth, in the desktop background screen, select a picture to apply as the background. Fifth, click and select a picture position from this section. And sixth, click on the save changes button. The selected picture will appear as a desktop background and you will come back to the appearance and personalization screen. Seventh, click on the close button to close the screen and see the desktop. Okay students, in this book that is given a way how you can change a desktop background using a control panel. One way is also that you have to right click on the empty desktop area, and this way if you have a right click on that desktop area and then option came is that personalized option came from there, you can change the desktop background, which desktop background you want. Then you have to select a desktop. Here is a desktop background, which desktop background, which picture you want. If you want to this, then click and save changes. The desktop background will change. Okay, that is a way how you can change a desktop background using a right click. But in book that is given if you want to change a desktop background using the control panel. And one thing students, also you remember, you can select a multiple pictures by clicking on the select all button and set them to come one after the other on the desktop by setting a time duration under the change picture every section. Okay, so we start how we can change a desktop background using the control panel. My desktop background is like that and I want to change it, so you have to click on that start button sorry, and click on the control panel, and under the category view by category, you have to click appearance and personalization. And when appearance and personalization came, you have to click on the change the desktop background link. You have to click the change desktop background. Okay, now that came, and from here which picture you want, then you have to select a picture, which picture you want as a desktop background. If you want to this picture, then you have to click. Okay, and this is the position. Where is the position keeps style, stretch, fit, fill, center. So I have to click on a fill. Whole screen pictures came. Okay, and you want to say click on the save changes. One is that. Okay, and close it. Now my desktop background will change. Okay students, this is the way how you can change a desktop background using a control panel. Again I tell you, you have to you have to click on start button and then select a control panel option, and from that control panel option click on the appearance and personalization link, and here is a personalization, click the change the desktop background. Okay, one thing also is if you want to select all that pictures, then you have to click on a select all, and here is a picture, change picture every 30 minutes or every 10 seconds, every 30 seconds, 1 minute, which type of option you want. If you want every 10 seconds the picture will change, and click on that save changes. Now after every 10 first picture is came here, I will wait for 10 seconds and then picture will change automatically without by changing the mouse or keyboard anything. Now see, this is the select all. If you want to change all that pictures came one after the other by some time, then you have to select this type of option. Okay, but if you want to select only one picture is still shown on your desktop, then you have to use the option, click on the start, control panel, appearance and personalization, change the desktop, and don't select all. Okay, click clear all. Here you have to clear all and select only one picture. Which picture you want to this picture, click and click on the save changes. Okay students, and then close. So that is a changing the desktop background. Okay, all of you please practice it. Now changing the Windows theme. A theme consists of a combination of desktop background, colors, sounds, and a screensaver, and so on. When you change a theme, you can change the desktop background, colors, sounds, and screensaver at one go. The steps to change the theme are as follows. Open the control panel in the category view. Click on the change the theme link under appearance and personalization category. From the dialog box that appears, select any theme as you like. The theme will get applied. Close the dialog box by clicking on the close button. Default arrow themes in Windows 7. So theme, what is a theme? If you changes a theme, then your desktop background, colors, screensaver, sound quality, all that changes at a one go. There is no need to change every desktop background, sounds, and screensaver separately. If you change a theme, then changing a theme, it is a combination of change in a desktop background, change in a color, change in a sound, and change in a screensaver, and so on. When you change a theme, you can change the desktop background, color, sounds, and screensaver at one go. Okay, so how you can change a theme? Now you click on that start button and then click on the control panel, and here is the appearance and personalization. Click here, and here is the change the theme. Okay, which theme? Default arrow theme is that. This is the default Windows arrow theme. 7 arrow themes are given here. If any change, if you want to that nature theme, then click on that. Okay, that nature theme, if you click on that, only click you have to. Okay, and according to that nature theme, the desktop background, the screensaver, the sounds, and the colors automatically changes. Okay, and you have to click on that close button. According to that nature theme, this type of background is shown. Okay, again I tell you, different theme I will take. Here, control panel, and changing the theme, appearance and personalization, change the theme. Which theme? If you want that theme, landscape theme, then only, and then click on here I selected the landscape theme, and now I am clicking on a close button. According to that theme will get applied. Okay students, so two things I will tell you in this video: changing the Windows theme and changing the desktop background. So all of you practice it. Okay, if you have any problem, then ask me or message me. And students, also you have to start learning chapter 1, 2, because I want to take a test in the next week, so I will inform you. Okay, I want to take a test in the next week, so all of you also learn and prepare. Okay, thank you.